At this residence in Rehoboth Beach, we installed a fully integrated Tesla solar roof system designed to do more than generate power. It replaces the roof itself, no bulky panels, no visual compromise, just clean lines, durable materials, and energy production built directly into the structure of the home. Underneath that roof, every detail matters. From precision attachment planning to wind and coastal exposure requirements, this system was engineered for long-term performance in real-world conditions. This isn't theoretical resilience, it's practical. The system produces over 15 kilowatts of solar energy and is paired with multiple Tesla Powerwalls, giving the homeowner stored power when it matters most. During outages, the home doesn't go dark. Lights stay on, refrigeration stays cold. Life continues uninterrupted. Behind the scenes, the electrical work is just as intentional. Dual inverters, backup gateways, rapid shutdown compliance, and a fully code-aligned interconnection ensure the system operates safely, efficiently, and seamlessly alongside the utility grid. From the roof line to the garage wall, this home now generates, stores, and manages its own energy. That means predictability in an unpredictable world. American home contractors, installing peace of mind since 1986.